this is what we're working with.
AlexaSunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, AlexaSunshine 83 here. Hello, happy sunny day. What is up? Today's video, we're doing a closet declutter video, which it's been 6 months since I did my last one. And honestly, it's because with this year, I'm not really wearing a lot of the clothes that I own, and so usually if I wasn't wearing something, I would be like, oh, it must mean that I don't like it, I'll declutter it. But a lot of the things I'm not wearing because I'm not like doing anything. I basically wear the same thing every day. But there's definitely some items that I just know I don't love as much anymore. And whenever I go thrifting, I never thrift to like resell or to not wear. I am thrifting it to wear it. And for whatever reason, it just doesn't work out. And especially this year, when I was going to thrift stores, I wasn't able to try on the clothes. So you think you love something, you get home, you try it on, it doesn't fit, it doesn't actually look how you thought it was gonna look. Anyway, we're gonna be brutal because the new year is coming up and I just have to say goodbye to some pieces. Grab yourself a snack, a coffee, a tea, a water, and let's get to decluttering. Any pieces I'm not keeping, I will be putting on my Poshmark, which I do have linked right down below if you would like to check it out. My personal favorite way of decluttering is to basically take everything out of its place. I mean, not that any of these are actually in a place, but just kind of put them on my bed and then from there actually go through every single item. That way you aren't looking at it from your closet and it's kind of like a clear view and you can really see, do I really love this? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take all of these clothes, put them on my bed. Was this a good idea to put it all on the bed? I don't know. Honestly, I feel like this very much encompasses my mind the past couple months. And you know, when your space is a mess, your mind is a mess. Everything that I'm saying goodbye to, I'm gonna put in this bag, and then everything else that I'm keeping, I'm gonna hang back up. I think I do technically have like a 2-tier clothing rack. I've been putting my sweaters, sweatshirts, and jackets, things that are just like a lot bulkier on. That way my closet doesn't get like too overflowed. I mean, it did anyway. Also, something that I've been doing to not only help my closet, but also to help me out of not decluttering things that I actually really love is things that I can't wear right now because of the season. Keeping it if I know I love it, and the only reason why I'm not wearing it is because of the season, and putting it in like a storage bag. So I do have a storage bag for some like tank tops and shorts. So I feel like sweatshirts are definitely the hardest part. Like this sweatshirt, obviously I'm gonna keep. Okay. This t-shirt is always a good one. These Xena jeans. I am gonna say goodbye to some jeans. I know, shocker, but these ones are just so unique and so cute that I have to keep them. Some of these I've just had for so long and I will continue to keep because they just have like memories to them, like this jacket, of course. This jacket, yes. Okay, I haven't said no to anything yet. I think it's because I'm choosing the things that I like first. Let's get brutal, Alexa. We'll start with this shirt, which I do really love, and originally I put it in my like summer wardrobe storage bag. I don't think I absolutely love it. We're gonna put it in the bag. These pants I really like, so I'm definitely keeping them. Pants are definitely the thing I haven't worn that much this year. Well, I've worn pants, but like I haven't been wearing these fun like structured pants because I'm not going anywhere, but I do really love them, and I feel like I want my style to kind of move towards that. This year has been an interesting year for my style. I've gotten into just things that I would have never honestly gone for, although I am wearing a very like typical Alexa outfit as I say that, but it's because I would want to wear these pants if I'm like going somewhere. I mean, I could wear them to the grocery store, but these are going to be a good 2021 outfit piece. Why am I folding them? I'm hanging them up. What am I doing? This tennis skirt. I've talked about how I've been trying to figure out how to style it, and I just completely fell into the trend of the tennis skirt, and realistically I just don't like the style on me. It's just not my fave, so I will be saying goodbye to this tennis skirt. Okay, this one, this is a piece that I had searched so long for, and I love it so much, but this like leather blazer jacket I love so much more, and if it was green I think I also would still love it. This just has an interesting texture that I just prefer this one, and if we're gonna be brutal, I prefer this one. We're gonna say goodbye to this one. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need a bigger bag for my nose. This denim jacket was my very first denim jacket, and I do not wear it ever, but I have this patch on it, and I'm trying to take the patch off, but I don't want it to leave any residue. You know what, I'm just gonna do it and then try to take off the residue before I put it on Poshmark. But look at how cute this patch is. It's Disneyland. But it's an amazing denim jacket. It was my very first denim jacket I had ever thrifted before, and it has a special place in my heart, but I really just never wear it. Clean off the little residue. Hopefully that will be okay, so I'll put that on the side. But yay! This Reformation top I love so much. I bought it secondhand on Poshmark. It is so small. I believe, what size is it? I think it is a small, and usually with puff sleeve tops I have to do a small because I'm not very chesty, and so for me to be able to like keep up the top part and the shoulder part I need it to be smaller. But this one, it literally makes me feel like I'm a mummy. The arm like shearing on it, just, it's terrible. Like, it's great if it was my size, but because it's too small, it's just way too small. So I'm gonna be saying goodbye to this top. But this is a top where it's like, okay, I wouldn't wear it right now, but would I wear it during the spring and summer? I don't think so. I don't really like this little keyhole thing. I'm not a keyhole like shirt kind of person. These pants, I do really, yeah, I like these pants. I do wish we had more space to have like a dresser. There's no space in this apartment. Like, I think we both realized that we need something a tiny bit bigger, and also we live on the 3rd story and there's no elevator. Those stairs, I have never hated stairs more in my life, and I think I'm a pretty active person, but I mean, when you're going up and down those stairs multiple times a day, it is just a pain. Then to also take up something that's really heavy, there's small stairs too. It just wouldn't make sense. I would rather get a dresser drawer when I don't have to think about that, because even my big brown mirror that you guys remember, it's in storage at my dad's house and I love it and I would love to bring it here, but there's literally no way John and I could do it. So wait, what was I saying? That's why I don't have a dresser drawer. I think with my bottoms it would definitely make a difference, so that's definitely something I will need to get for, you know, wherever we end up next. We're starting to get into my beige sweaters, my beige and white sweaters, which I just have way too many. When you find a really good beige, almost vanilla white sweater, it gets me every time, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. But do I need 5? No, I don't. This one does have a little hole, but it's still, oh, so pretty. We're gonna say goodbye. We're gonna say goodbye. Do I keep it? I don't know. I'm gonna keep it. I do. I love it. Yes, I do. These overalls, like, there's just some things that I can never say goodbye to, and these overalls, it's that. These overalls I've kept for such a long time. I got them at the Melrose Trading Post. I love them. I do really love them, but I never wear them. I just don't think they go with my style anymore. I don't think I'm an overalls person. I think I tried to make myself an overalls person by just like continuing to thrift a bunch of different overalls just because, and realistically I don't think that's me. I'm really sad to say goodbye to these, but it's time to move on to a better place. Also, we have some Christmas sweaters and sweatshirts from when I did the bulk vintage video, and as much as I would love to keep 30 Christmas sweaters, I knew I would end up putting them on my Poshmark for the holidays. So if any of you are wanting some Christmas sweatshirts, this is gonna be for you. Probably my biggest learn of this year is I don't think I'm ever gonna do a mystery thrift box from somebody I don't know, like, ever again. I will probably do a thrift store mystery box like with friends and stuff, but from like Depop and different websites, it creates a lot of waste because it's a risk. Obviously, you don't know what you're gonna get. It was fun while it lasted. It helped me get through kind of this pandemic and quarantine and all that, but realistically, I just realized I'm not gonna love everything, and I would rather not have the waste, and then I feel bad for putting it on Poshmark or donating it. Like, I really, really want to love it, so I just keep it, but I don't actually love it. So this sweater, obviously I'm gonna keep. Look at how freaking amazing it is. This shirt, I accidentally shrunk, and I don't know if it fits me. If it doesn't, literally I'm gonna be heartbroken because this was like $100. We're gonna keep this. I don't really wear this, but I love it so much, so we're gonna keep it. Realistically, if I want this video to be under like 25 minutes, I'm gonna need to speed through this, so I'm gonna kind of speed up a little bit, and I'll stop when I need to talk to you. I may have to revisit some of these pieces after I go through everything initially and then be like more brutal about it, because I do not think I'm doing that great of a job. These pants, I think I got them from Plato's Closet, and I tried them on and realized that they just do not fit how I would like them to fit, and so I'm gonna say goodbye to them. Some thrift stores are letting you return within like 14 days so you can try things on, but I want to wash the stuff before I try them on, and if you wash the stuff you have to take off the tag, and if you take off the tag then you can't return it. So a lot of the stuff I feel like is part of that because I just can't return it anymore. This top is just such a gem. Look at how cute it is. Do I keep it? We'll say goodbye. I don't know what I want my style to be for 2021. I don't think you necessarily need to change your style every year or anything, but I feel like I've been in a really weird place, going through an identity crisis, to be honest, and I really don't know what my style is or what I want it to be. Hence me bleaching my own hair, you know? Don't know how to put together outfits anymore of how I want it to look like. So I'm just interested to see if I find myself more in 2021, because I felt like I found myself in 2020 in the beginning, and then it just kind of went like downhill from there. This is a perfect item that I won't be wearing right now, but I will wear in springtime and summertime. So we are gonna put it over here. This is so cute. I forgot I own it. Oh yeah, I like this. I really like this. I feel like I need to wear a different Christmas sweater every single day just to wear them all. These pants, I'm so sad to say goodbye, but they just do not fit me. When I got them, they aren't a medium from thredUP, I think. They were a little bit loose on me when I first got them, but I was like, oh, it'll be fine. And now they're just too loose to wear. Putting a belt, it just doesn't look right. They are these faux leather pants, and I'm trying to find some to replace them because I really want some fun faux leather pants. Just trying to find a replacement has been a struggle, so we're finally gonna say goodbye to these. Okay, I think I need to speed things up again because it's 1:40. I need to film this before the sun goes down. This cream sweater I love, but I have another cream sweater. Which one do I like better? I do like that this has a little kind of like mock neck in a way, but sometimes when it's a sweater and it's a mock neck, it's not as comfy. Be brutal, be brutal. This sweater, like come on, this is such a beautiful, beautiful sweater. I do not wear purple enough. I was trying to find like a purple puff sleeve top because I was watching Tangled, and I was like, I want to look like Rapunzel again, and so I was trying to find a like Rapunzel-y type of puff sleeve top that was light purple, and I could not find one. And I think I like light purple more than dark purple, and I love this so much. But this color, I don't know, purple sometimes kind of brings me down. This jacket I've been so excited to talk about. I wanted it to like pop up because I'm saying goodbye to it, which I love it so much. Whoever ends up purchasing it, love it for life because I'm desperately, desperately going to miss it. Okay, so we have this bag now. Okay, I need to find another bag because I have more to go through. Oh gosh. My mom gave me this bag for some gluten-free vegan pumpkin bread she made me. She put it in this bag, and it's a perfect bag to put some stuff in. I have a lot of rain jackets that I don't need, but I feel like I need to keep them because usually I would say February, March is probably the time that it rains the most here. So I'm just gonna keep them, and then maybe in the summer we will come back to my closet and do a spring cleaning declutter of things that I thought I would wear during that time. Everything's like staticky for summer. Oh, this is like a fuzzy fleece jacket, so that's probably why. My closet is already almost full. Again, I do have that other clothing rack, which is where I do put a lot of bulkier stuff, which I haven't done yet. I feel like I'm not getting rid of a bunch, but I have 3 bags right now. obviously looking better. So I've taken all the stuff off of the bed. I think I have like 4 bags of clothes I'm going to be putting on Poshmark. I think I then want to organize this. I love color coding and putting things in a category of like what item it is. I think I'm gonna do it kind of how I had it before, which you didn't see, but I had sweaters, jackets, and sweatshirts out there, and then I had t-shirts, pants, bulkier jackets that wouldn't fit over there in here, and I think I'm gonna do that. I mean, it's not the most like aesthetically pleasing closet, but I think it works. I mean, I have my t-shirts in one section, I have long sleeves, button-ups, long sleeve things. It works for now. But yeah, I basically have been decluttering my closet for 4 hours. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of just chilling, talking, cleaning. If you would like to continue to see my face, then make sure to subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, alexasunshine83, to keep updated with me during the week. I will see you guys on Sunday with a brand new Sunny Sunday video. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye! Can you say bye? She says bye.